The first day I felt totally awesome, and now I wake up with no pain whatsoever. I'm able to do things on the weekend, go boating, whatever we want to do, ride our motorcycle. Not that I have a motorcycle, but just have a great time without pain.
It did everything that it's supposed to do, and then some, and then some, and then some. You gotta try it. It's a no-brainer.
What kind of symptoms were you having before you started?
I was having the knife-like symptoms. Someone was stabbing me in my lower back, and ever since I started going on the machine, after the first 4 treatments, I started feeling better already, and I feel like 95% cured right now.
Would you recommend it to a friend?
I'd recommend it to anybody I see that has lower back pain. You absolutely got to try this. I mean, you absolutely got to try it. We've done all the treatments, and we feel like a lot better than we did before we came in. It's like an absolute no-brainer. You got to try this thing. It really does the trick. It's better than having your back cut open and having spine surgery. That's my theory anyway.
I agree with that. I was in pain for many years, and I was on medication and everything, and now I've totally cut back on my medication.
Our relationship improved tremendously.
Yes. We're not complaining.
We don't complain anymore. Zero. I feel so much better. It's incredible. I never thought that this machine can do it.
Neither did I. I thought he was crazy when he said he was going to try it, but talked me into it, and now we can do things that we want to do.
Oh yeah, it's great. Life, it's been a big improvement for the quality of life. I mean, no question about it. We can do things we haven't been able to do before. We could do it now again.
Would you recommend it to a friend?
I'd recommend it to an enemy, yes.
I'd recommend it to anybody that has lower back pain. Without a question of a doubt, you gotta try this thing. You really do.
I agree, 100%.
Well, I couldn't swim, I couldn't ride my bike, I couldn't bend over to play with my little pup.
Right.
We have a boat, I couldn't fish.
Right.
I couldn't do anything. I mean, I would just truly sit with tears in my eyes most of the time. Now I'm doing it all.
Fantastic. Would you recommend this to a friend?
You better believe it. I call it my miracle machine.
Hi, I'm Dr. Mitch Siegal, and what you're about to witness is a step-by-step process of the DRX 9000 spinal decompression machine on a real patient. As you can see, she is harnessed around the waist and instructed to step onto the platform, where she will be gently lowered down into position. While she's doing that, let me answer some frequently asked questions. Is it painful? No. Most of my patients are so relaxed they actually fall asleep during their 30-minute treatment. What will I need prior to meeting with the doctor? An MRI of your neck or back is all I require to make the proper diagnosis and to determine if you are in fact a good candidate for this procedure. How soon will I start noticing a reduction in my pain? Well, many of my patients begin to notice changes just after the first treatment, but most within the first week. Okay, now the patient is in position and a small wedge-like pillow is placed under the knees for comfort. The pelvic harness is then attached to the machine, and the patient is now ready for decompression. Many people ask me, is this guaranteed to work? Even if you are a good candidate for this procedure, there are no guarantees that it will be a success. With that said, the majority of my patients that have undergone this treatment have experienced tremendous relief from their symptoms and have gone on with their lives year after year pain-free. On a more personal note, I understand that most of you have tried almost everything to alleviate your symptoms and have had little or no success. I'll do everything in my power to help you get your life back to the way it used to be, pain-free, and enjoying all the things that you used to do. Okay, the last step you'll see before decompression begins is to tell the machine where the problem is, so it can isolate the herniated or bulging disc. Well, that's about it. I'm Dr. Siegal, and feel free to share this presentation to others you think might benefit from spinal decompression utilizing the DRX 9000. And once again, thanks for watching.